welcome back. So today we got a package in from AmericanMuscle.com, and we are actually going to be installing this on our GT50. And yeah, so let's just get it open. All right guys, so we're actually be replacing these side markers here with the American Muscle side markers. So they're pure white. We bought them off of AmericanMuscle.com. You can check those guys out. But we're gonna go ahead and get these replaced, and this is actually a very easy install. So hopefully this right here help you guys if you guys are looking to figuring out how to replace these. Basically what you're gonna do is you want to get on the ground here, and you want to get your arm up behind this here, and you're gonna find this front tab here, and all you do is just push it out. There you go. And then you want to take it and slide it forward just like this, and it'll pop out. Very easy. And then you want to go ahead and disconnect your wiring harness just like that. Take it out, and then you want to go ahead and take this adapter here and twist it counterclockwise, and it'll pop out. Very easy. And you want to go ahead and get this assembled. So what you want to do is go ahead and take your light bulb out just like that. Take it out, and then you want to go ahead and plug this adapter back into itself just like that. There you go, it's plugged in. You want to go ahead and plug this back in just like this here. And you hear it click in. Then you want to go ahead and get this wire put back down inside of this here, and just go ahead and twist that in just like that. It'll twist itself in, and then you want to go ahead, and there's actually a clip on the back end of this. I'll show you with the old one. It is right here. So this hook piece right here is actually going to slide into the back side of it, and then that's where it's going to lock in at. So let me grab this towel right here, and let's get this cleaned off first before putting the new one in. I always like to do this. This is just a good plan to always make sure you have those cleaned off before you put something new back in it, just to kind of help itself a little bit. Once you get cleaned off like that, go ahead and take your back clip, get that put in place, and then you want to go ahead and snap in your front side. Let's see. Let's take the plastic off here, and it'll click in, and there you go. Now let's get on the other side. So same process, guys. You want to go ahead and get up behind it like this here, push out on the front side of it. There's a little clip. There you go, pops out. And then you want to go ahead and get this removed 100%. So go ahead and pop out your adapter. You want to go ahead and remove your light bulb here, and then go ahead and disassemble it. Go ahead and pop that bulb off just like that. Then you want to go in and get your brand new one. Plug that baby back into itself just like this. Plugs back in, and you can go ahead, if it's easier for you, go ahead and get that wire fed back down in just like this, and go ahead and turn it clockwise until it locks into place just like that. And then you want to go ahead and get that reassembled back on. So it should go in, just you hear a click, and that means it's in place. Go ahead and remove your plastic, and then take that back clip, remember, put that in first, and then you want to go ahead, there we go, and then go ahead and take the front side, clicks in, and you're good to go.